Hey guys, Christina Steinberg here, Superstar Director for the Fresh Sense of Smell Air, Scentsy Fragrance. This is going to be the quickest video ever. I just wanted to give you guys my one tax tip. If you're not doing it right now, I want you to make sure that you're separating your monthly income for Scentsy into 3 different categories at least. I have a couple other categories, but these are your basics for getting started. Because it's very likely that you will, at some point in your journey, if you get really awesome, you might owe some taxes for your Scentsy business because they don't take them out. Most of you, if you have a full-time job or your husband does, you're never going to owe. Your deductions are actually just going to help you get a bigger refund back. But once Scentsy becomes your full-time job, like mine, it's important that you're setting some money aside for owing taxes. So my goal is to always save 25% of every paycheck for taxes, and then 25% I put back into my business. So whether that be saving up for trips or supplies or anything like that, I have 25% of my income go into a bank account for Scentsy that's just for my income for that, for savings, for tax savings. And then I have another 25% that goes into another bank account or onto my pay card for Scentsy expenses. And then the other 50% is our home family income. So get used to doing that now, especially if you're not really huge with Scentsy yet, because it's going to be a lot easier to split your small checks into 50% now than it will be to start doing that when your checks get into the thousands. It's going to look like a lot more money when you do it then. But if you get in the habit now, when your checks are smaller, dividing them in half and only using half for your own personal, whatever you want to use it for, putting 25% aside for Scentsy supplies and 25% aside for taxes, you're going to thank me later. And the nice thing about the 25% for taxes is the government's not going to take all of that. After your write-offs and stuff are done, what you have left in that tax account serves as your refund. So even if you owe, you're actually getting a refund because you're not going to use all of it for taxes. So it'll be a really nice surprise at the end of tax season to be able to get all that back. Bye-bye.